Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Patnaik. So today we are going to understand the basic things regarding the Python. So what is a Python and why what is nowadays the Python is going to be having a more and more developers are using the Python because nowadays all kinds of applications like Windows applications or web applications or any kind of applications is developed by using a Python. So let us understand. So Python language introduction. We are going to understand the introduction of the Python. Okay. So basic Python basics of the Python. So let us understand the basics of the Python. So Python is an object-oriented and high-level language. It is interpreted, dynamic and multi-purpose programming language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Python is derived from many other languages including ABC, Module 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk, Unix Shell and other scripting languages. So if you compare with so many other languages, Python is little bit easy. Okay. Now see here some features why the Python is that much popular. Okay, that much popular. So because of the features of the Python. So let us understand it is easy. Python is very easy. I will explain you. It is expressive, free and open source. It is high level. It is portable. It is object oriented. It is extensible language. It is embeddable language. It is interpreted language. Large standard library. It consisting of large standard library. It also supports to GUI programming. It is dynamically typed language. So these all are the main features of Python. Okay. Now see here. Now we are going to understand one by one. The first thing is it is very easy. So that means the people are typing more and program in other languages, but Python is going to be giving very less code to develop the more operation. So that's why it is very easy while compared to other programming language. It's very easy. Okay. It is expressive. Expressive means the Python provides very expressive programming language. That means nowadays Python is supports to develop machine learning, artificial intelligence and so many areas. So it is, that's why it is very expressive. Free and open source. So anybody can download this particular software and run this particular Python programs very easily. So we have a python.org website is there. We can download the free software from that particular site and you can easily download and write your own programs and execute the programs. Okay. Next important feature is it is high level programming languages like other C++ and Java and .NET, like other languages. Python is also high level programming language. Okay, next. It is portable language. Unlike other languages, Python is also portable. That means, so if you write any particular code or if you develop any particular project under Python, you can easily use any flash drives or small portable devices to take the code with you. So as well as we know that portable in the sense we already learned in other languages, the data types which provides very less MB of data. Okay, next. It is object-oriented programming approach like Java and C++. It is also object-oriented programming approaches. That means you can develop classes Within the classes, you can develop your own data members and member functions, and you can also create an object and we can call the functions of a particular object. For in this particular figure, there is a number of objects like car, man, shoe, cap, etc. Let us take a car. Car is having a car ID, car company, car model. These all are the data members of the car. And what is the functions? We can access the car details. These all things. Behavior of the car is nothing but the member functions in object oriented. Okay, that's why Python is also object oriented programming approach. Next, it is extensible. That means a particular company is developed one particular project under Python. You can extend that particular code later in the same company or later by any other persons. That means we can easily extensible of the particular code regarding the extensible of code. Okay, next is embeddable program. So Python is an embeddable program. That means nowadays so many embeddable applications is there. For example, I want to perform the operations of a robot. I can develop a program over the Python code and we can fetch that particular code in a real-time devices. That's why Python is an embeddable programming language. That means any kind of program, embedded program, we can develop it under Python and execute it over the real time. Next, it is interpreted. It is interpreted language. So why should we call it is an interpreted language? We know that Python is an interpreted. It is only consisting of an interpreter. Means basically it provides an interpreter. So directly it converts the entire high level program to mission level program. So it is an interpreted language. Large standard library. Unlike other programming languages like C, C++, Java, so there is very less standard libraries to develop the different kinds of applications. But Python provides so many libraries that is used to develop different kinds of applications. So that's why nowadays Python is more popular. There is huge number of libraries and modules will be provided by Python. It also supports to develop GUI program. Nowadays, all the Windows applications and web applications is developed over the GUI. That means all the text boxes, radio buttons, combo boxes will be there to develop the very interactive applications. So TK Inter, okay, TK Inter programming will supports the Python to develop GUI applications. Dynamically typed, it is also one of the important feature. That means you can generally Python is dynamically typed. You need not declare any data type. Everything is an object. For example, you can directly declare any particular variable. Based on the assigning of a variable, it will be automatically typecast to that particular data type. So that's why it is dynamically typed language. So these all are very important features regarding the Python. That's why it is that much popular, okay, nowadays. So thank you. We will continue with next session. Okay, thank you.